Hi guys, kami taas to organize my sister's bag. Don't mind guys, I have too many things. And this is the old bag is going right here. Trash. Right there. And then this is the new bag. So we're gonna speed it up. Speed it up for you guys.
Ako, basura na yung bag mo.
Okay, food goes here. The medicine goes here. Kunyari, ginaganong gamit lang po to.
Ano una naman?
Oh, make it faster. Where's their notebooks? Kunin ko lang ang attached case. Kami downstairs. Kanin lang namin yung attached case niya. Which he's gonna bring to school anymore. Ang laki ng bag niya, guys. There's a compartment down. Oh, kasya ba? Kasya ba? Hindi. Isa-isahin mo. Isa-isahin mo, Ben. Hindi kasya. Hindi siya. Hindi mo. Ito, dadalhin niyo ba ito? Hindi na ito. Pero mo, siguro. Ayun nga yung hindi nagpapasarado. Medyo unahin mo. Ay, gagang. Tapi ikaw. Ito! Wala, nag-excited lang.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Where's SpongeBob? Sandy. Give me the notebooks. Alin dito yung, ano sa unang subject nyo? Ma'am. Ano yung unang subject nyo? O, diba? Math, English, Filipino, AP. Tapos yung ano ko? 1, 2, 1, 2, ayun o, AP nga. Ay, ano? 1, 2, 1, 2. Ayun na lang. Ayun o, white yun eh. Diba? Ayun. Don't forget the front side. There's another one. Ano ba? Alam ko!